Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send money from the USA to Argentina in 2025. Whether you're supporting family, paying for services, or handling international business, I'll walk you through the process step by step. With new regulations and tech advancements by 2025, it's more efficient than ever, but let's make sure you do it right to avoid any headaches. First things first, start by choosing the best method for you. Options include traditional banks like Chase or Bank of America, digital services like Wise, Revolut, or even PayPal. In 2025, look for platforms that emphasize low fees and real-time exchange rates, as the Argentine peso can fluctuate. Step 1. Compare fees and rates. Use tools like online currency converters or apps to check current exchange rates and hidden charges. This could save you a bundle. Aim for services with transparent pricing. Step 2. Set up your account. If you're going digital, download the app and verify your identity with your ID and bank details. For banks, log in or visit a branch to initiate the transfer. Step 3. Enter the recipient's information carefully. You'll need their full name, bank account number, SWIFT code, and possibly their address. Double-check everything to prevent delays or errors. Step 4. Initiate the transfer. Select the amount, review the final exchange rate and fees, and confirm the payment. Most services let you do this in minutes. Once it's sent, track the transaction using the provider's tracking tools. It usually takes 1 to 5 business days, depending on the method. A quick tip: be mindful of any taxes or additional fees in Argentina, and always use secure connections to protect your data. By 2025, regulations might require more verification, so stay updated. That's it for this guide. Sending money internationally doesn't have to be complicated. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.